Greetings, travel enthusiasts. Welcome to your favorite channel, Traveling Kangaroo. Here, we hop around the globe, exploring the most fascinating destinations and hidden gems. Today, we're setting our sights on the breathtaking beauty of Colorado. Known for its stunning landscapes, bustling cities, and unique cultural heritage, Colorado is a treasure trove waiting to be discovered. So fasten your seatbelts as we embark on a breathtaking journey through Colorado. With Traveling Kangaroo as your guide, you're in for an unforgettable adventure. Our first stop is the majestic Rocky Mountains. This awe-inspiring mountain range is more than just a geographical marvel. It's a beacon for wildlife and outdoor enthusiasts alike. The Rockies stretch over 3,000 miles from the northernmost part of British Columbia in western Canada to New Mexico in the southwestern United States. Nestled in these mountains, you'll find a diverse ecosystem teeming with a variety of flora and fauna. From the elusive lynx and the graceful elk to the towering spruce and the humble wildflower, the Rockies are a testament to nature's tenacity and beauty. But the Rockies aren't just for sightseeing. They're a playground for the adventurous at heart. Hiking, skiing, fishing, rock climbing, the opportunities for outdoor activities are as vast as the mountain range itself. The Rocky Mountains truly encapsulate the spirit of adventure Colorado offers. This breathtaking landscape serves as a reminder of nature's grandeur and the endless possibilities that await the intrepid explorer. Now, we step into a unique landmark, the Four Corners Monument. Imagine standing at a point where you can be in four places at once. This is the only spot in the United States where four states intersect at one point. Colorado, New Mexico, Arizona, and Utah meet here, each offering its unique cultural and natural beauty. It's like a crossroads of diverse landscapes and experiences, a symbol of unity amidst diversity, if you will. A visit to the Four Corners Monument is a geographical marvel you can't miss. Next, we venture into the surreal landscape of the Great Sand Dunes National Park and Preserve. Imagine a place where the tallest dunes in North America rise like a mirage from the surrounding grasslands and mountains. This unique ecosystem, a world of shifting sands, shelters a diverse range of wildlife. Thrill seekers can slide down the dunes or go sandboarding, while those in search of tranquility might prefer a quiet hike. The Great Sand Dunes are a testament to Colorado's diverse landscapes. Colorado's 14 ERs, a mountaineer's paradise, await us next. These giants of nature are a sight to behold, with 58 peaks reaching over 14,000 feet into the sky. The journey to their summits is not for the faint of heart. It's a true test of endurance, but the reward? Unparalleled views that stretch as far as the eye can see, a sense of accomplishment like no other, and a connection with nature that's deeply profound. Colorado's 14 ERs offer an unrivaled mountain climbing experience. We now travel back in time at the Mesa Verde National Park. This vast expanse of land cradles the secrets of the ancient Puebloan cliff dwellings, a testament to the ingenuity and resilience of a civilization that thrived here over 1,000 years ago. The park holds a unique historical significance, offering us a glimpse into a world far removed from our own. It's a place where the whispers of the past echo through the canyons and cliffs. Mesa Verde National Park is a window into an ancient civilization. Brace yourselves as we traverse the highest paved road in the U.S. Welcome to the exhilarating Mount Evans Scenic Byway, reaching a breathtaking 14,265 feet above sea level. As we ascend, the landscapes unfold like a panoramic painting, offering an unrivaled view of Colorado's majestic mountains, alpine meadows, and crystal-clear lakes. The journey is as breathtaking as the destination. The Mount Evans Scenic Byway is a drive that takes you closer to the sky. Next, we explore the twin jewels of Colorado, Aspen and Vail. Nestled in the heart of the Rocky Mountains, these towns are renowned for their world-class skiing opportunities. From long, thrilling downhill runs to intricate cross-country trails, there's something for every level of ski enthusiast. And let's not forget the snowboarding. But Aspen and Vail aren't just winter wonderlands. They're also home to some of the most luxurious resorts in the world, where you can unwind in style after a day on the slopes. Think heated outdoor pools, gourmet restaurants, and sumptuous spa treatments. And if you're a culture vulture, you're in for a treat. Aspen and Vail boast vibrant cultural scenes, with art galleries, music festivals, and theater performances aplenty. There's never a dull moment in these towns, whether you're exploring the great outdoors or soaking up the local culture. Aspen and Vail are where luxury meets nature. We now set foot in Denver, the mile-high city. This remarkable city is exactly 1 mile above sea level, and the mile-high markers dotted across Denver are the proof. These markers, a testament to Denver's unique geographical position, can be found at various points around the city. From the steps of the state capitol to Coors Field, these markers remind both locals and visitors alike of the incredible altitude. Denver's mile-high markers highlight the city's unique geographical position. We now stroll down the longest main street in America, Colfax Avenue. Steeped in history, this artery of Denver boasts a rich tapestry of cultural significance. It was once the main thoroughfare for gold miners and pioneers, and now pulsates with a lively mix of music venues, eclectic eateries, and unique shops. With every step, you'll encounter a diverse blend of stories and landmarks, each adding a distinctive flavor to this vibrant street. Colfax Avenue is a microcosm of Colorado's vibrant culture. And finally, we delve into a unique culinary delight, the Rocky Mountain oysters. Now don't be fooled by the name. These are not seafood but rather bull testicles, typically deep-fried and served as a snack. Their history dates back to ranching traditions in the West, becoming a part of Colorado's unique culinary identity. Often found at local festivals, they are a must-try for the adventurous foodie. Rocky Mountain oysters are a testament to Colorado's adventurous culinary scene. And that concludes our exhilarating journey through Colorado. We've scaled the Rocky Mountains, stood on 4 states at once at the Four Corners Monument, and braved the Great Sand Dunes. We've marveled at Colorado's 14 ERs, explored Mesa Verde, and ventured on the highest paved road in the U.S. We've skied in Aspen and Vail, marked the Mile High in Denver, strolled down Colfax Avenue, and even tasted the unique Rocky Mountain oysters. Thank you for traveling with Traveling Kangaroo. Remember to subscribe to our channel and visit our website travelingkangaroo.com for more exciting travel content. Until next time, keep exploring.